like on.
And I bet that's my scooter. Yeah, I think she did. Mum, I got a scooter in one of them.
Tyler,
What?
you keep spoiling everything. That's one of a weird kind of shape.
Is that what it is? Yeah! Why are you smelling me? I've got to open my biggest present. I wonder if that's going to be your scooter.
And Mum, that's weird. She didn't get any cards.
That's what's there on the table.
Really? Oh yeah, they're on the table.
That's on the table.
Whoa! It is your scooter. I was right. Mum, flashing
Yeah.
one.
You know that bit there, yeah?
Look. Flash is pink.
Oh, Mimi, do you know that part there, yeah?
Yeah.
If you want to slow down, you just press that one and it slows it down.
Wow. I get it. I get it too.
No,
I
you
have a
don't.
little go on it, Mum.
Yeah, we'll need to put your
You
batteries
don't get
in
it,
for you.
only Nivy gets it.
So it
And I
flashes.
get it.
No, it's not your birthday.